Welcome to our YouTube channel, Wanderer Insights. Humane, a groundbreaking artificial intelligence startup founded by former Apple designers Imran Chaudhri and Bethany Bongiorno, unveiled its inaugural product, the Humane AI Pin, a wearable priced at $699. This innovative device aims to replace traditional smartphones, offering users the ability to make calls, send texts, and access information through intuitive voice controls. The AI Pin features a laser display that transforms the user's palm into a miniature screen, displaying the time, date, or nearby information. Unlike typical voice-activated devices, the Humane AI Pin operates without constant listening or recording. As Chaudhri highlighted in a 10-minute launch video on the company's website, the device remains dormant until activated by the user through voice, touch, gestures, or the laser ink display. The AI Pin operates independently. It possesses its own phone number, unlike smartwatches tethered to smartphones. Humane secured a significant $100 million financing round from Microsoft, LG's venture arm, and Tiger Global before product announcement, has raised over $200 million in total. Contributors include OpenAI CEO SamAltman and Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff. Orders for the AI Pin will be accepted starting November 16th, as announced by Chaudhri and Bongiorno in their recent video presentation. Powered by a Qualcomm chipset, Qualcomm Ventures being an investor as well, the device boasts a built-in speaker and camera, with visual indicators when these functions are active. The Pin's unique double-tap feature captures photos or videos, accessible through Humane's web app. In a demonstration, the AI Pin showcased its ability to translate real-time conversations from Spanish to English and vice versa. Furthermore, users can leverage AI services directly from the internet, courtesy of contributions from major companies like Microsoft, Google, and OpenAI. The device can provide answers to inquiries, such as playing songs or offering information, with music access requiring a Tidal subscription. The AI Pin's assistant also excels in summarizing users' daily calendars, messages received, and health data, demonstrating its potential as a comprehensive and user-friendly technological companion. So, what do you think about AI Pin? Is it going to be next big thing? Or another flop? Let us know. If you liked the video, don't hesitate to share it,